Smells like almond.
This looks like similar to the almond tree we have at home.
Yeah, it smells
in
really
our backyard.
sweet.
Is it the same flowers? Let me see. I don't want to get too close because of the bees.
Oh, there's no bees on your branch.
Can't really smell it.
No?
Maybe I need to bring it down closer to me to make sure it's really almond. It doesn't seem as fragrant as the almonds blossoms at home.
Maybe because it's shitty almonds.
Could be. Could be. But yeah, this is possibly an almond tree. We're over down by the river.
So all that was flooded out right there?
Oh wow, let's get on over here where the river is.
So the lower trail was closed. Still wet out.
Whoa, I need to not walk so fast, I almost trip.
Because this was submerged 24 hours ago.
Submerged 24 hours ago?
Yeah. Oh, look.
You guys are not in the frame. I'm trying to avoid you guys. Damn, it's all the way up here. Yep. Oh my god. Wow.
And look at how fast that current's moving out there too in that channel.
This is all the result of all these storms.
Yep. And then there's the bathroom. That was what I shot yesterday.
Oh, that right there?
Across the river there.
Uh-huh.
And it was about a third to halfway underwater.
Can you hold this for me? I just need to straighten out my bag here. Okay. Wow, that's intense. All that water. Do you want to keep going? Or just kick it over here?
Do you remember over here where we were at our sesh?
Was it this?
Was it a couple weeks ago?
And it's all flooded, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. It's all muddy and mucky here. I don't know if I want to go down there because of my shoes.
It's getting muddy enough as it is.
Yeah. So
yeah. If you want to continue, maybe we can go up that way.
that's probably a good idea. Let's do that. I'm getting some good footage for nature videos. Yeah.
Plastic bag. Look, you can see how the current came through here. And
It flattened the grass. It totally flattened the grass.
Yep.
Whoa, it's slick right there. Be careful.
Very much so.
Might want to walk on the grass.
Yeah,
instead of the trail. Almost landed awkwardly on my foot.
Did you slip slightly?
Yeah, just a slight slippery
Enough to
experience.
remind you to keep it real.
Huh?
Oh, I was in the trail's fine now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's because now it's rocky. Rocky terrain. I'm telling me. Oh. Well, you did the bike ride yesterday. Man, you could hear it rushing through. Oh, and it's all mucky down there. Down through that way.
It's still a little bit of... It hasn't rained out at the bottom, which is no surprise.
I wish this could go through. This could zoom in. This camera, oh well. It's kind of capturing it.
Look at the tree, how it almost seems as if it's frantic. It's all shaking.
Oh yeah, it totally does.
And then there's broken branches that are caught on it.
Oh, that's right, huh? Everybody thinks it's always sunny in California. Let me tell. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, they are.
Hummer?
Hummer
Oh no, it's a Mercedes SUV.
on the trail, Hummer on the trail. Well, so we want to go up that way then?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, okay, yeah.
What?
Blocked off by the water.
Yeah.
It's all like messy and
Blocked
stuff.
off.
Yeah. Boop.